Well, this is the HOLE to Sua Trench. This seawater coming out of that big cave there from the sea, and it's coming right in. I think you've seen a lot of this, but SAMOA Entertainment TV channel visit this today.
Hey, Greg.
And seeing all those having their beautiful swim down there. How to get down there is that long ladder. I struggled to go down on that ladder one day, the other day. Let's get, so it's good for those that are very fit to go down that ladder. Going down to the trench. It's quite steep. Have to watch your step as you go down, because I think it's a bit slippery. I'm not going down, I'm just watching from the top. I'm not fit enough today to go down, but I just want to show you. I think a lot of people post video of this, but I want to do it again. As you can see, very steep. Very steep. Oh my God. So you have to go down.
I just don't trust the kid. I don't trust the kid. I won't be able to carry him.
It's very steep. Are you going down?
Yeah. Just waiting for her dad.
Oh, okay. You can go down on that thing.
She's been very brave. Just waiting for her dad.
Oh, okay.
Daddy's gonna take her down.
Are you going to go down again?
Yeah.
Oh, with the dad.
Yeah, here he is.
Hi, Ellie.
Yeah, I struggled to go down that thing the other day.
Turn around, you put two hands on here.
Yeah.
Good work. So two hands, drop your hands down. Drop your hands down and then one foot down for the next one.
Wow.
So always holding two hands, okay? Good work. Now the metal rail is about to stop, so you're going to have to start.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Okay? So always two hands on, one foot down. Good. Excellent.
Good girl. Well done.
It's good.
Good. Excellent. And you move your hand. Can you go down?
I'll just wait for them. It says you have to, don't you?
Keep that foot in the middle one and not just
Oh, okay. I just read on the sign it said don't. Oh, okay. Oh, I just read on the sign it said unless you were swimming you weren't allowed to. I'll just leave my dress here then.
Brilliant. Almost down there.
That's right, I was just going to wait for them. I mean, if I stacked, I'd rather not hurt three people. I think so, yeah.
That very steep. She's doing really well. Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, how about yourself?
Huh?
Well, how about you?
I'm Samoan, but I live in New Zealand.
Oh, okay.
So just
yeah.
back to...
Back home for a little while.
Eh?
Back here visiting, are you?
Yeah, just
That's
doing
nice.
some promotion work for our Samoan.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow, she's down there already.
Yeah. Yeah, she
Wow.
did great, didn't she?
As you can see, if you're not fit enough, I don't think you can get down there now. But she's doing
Good job,
well, that young
Eloise.
one.
Well
She
done.
challenged. So this is the trench. This is sea water. I think it's coming out of the cave there, all the way from the sea. And let's keep this camera up. Coming from that side. On that side. So the water comes right in from the sea and into this. Beautiful. And my friends just got down there. Woohoo! Done it.
Do you not come up in 5 and you can come down?
And yeah, it's a beautiful place.